Hi, I'm Adaline from Bonney Lake, Ben Franklin, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make the December Gnomes of the Month. For this video, I'll be demonstrating the Mrs. Claus gnome. First, we're going to take our bag, turn it upside down, and glue the corners inward so that it sits up straight for the gnome. For her bonnet, we're going to take our circle of plaid fleece, and going from the lighter, less fuzzy side, we're going to stitch a hand gather. So for that, we're going to start stitching about 1.5 inches in, and then we're going to go in and out at about 1 inch intervals. Once I get back to my original starting point, I'll pull the string tight so it bunches up and tie it off. Then once I've tied off my thread, I'm going to cut the end and stick polyfill into my hat. So you might have to adjust the amount of polyfill that you put in to get just the right shape that you want. I'm going for one that's not too super round, a little bit flatter. So I think that's good. To make her dress, we are going to take our rectangle of plaid fleece, wrap it around the bag, and glue just the top edge. Then if you want, you can pull out the bottom so it flares out a little bit like a skirt. Now I'm going to attach the nose, and I'm going to add a dot of hot glue under the edge of the bonnet so the nose sticks out a little bit but is also covered a little bit. For the apron, once you've cut out the pattern on your white felt, add a line of glue to the top line up here, and with your ribbon divided equally, lay it across so that it sticks. Then once that's dry and ready, we will tie it around the dress, double looping it. I'm finishing my ribbon with a bow. For her braids, we're going to take our craft fluff, place it evenly on both sides, and tie it into place with the string from our bag. Then we'll do loose braids down each side. If you need help braiding, divide each section in 3 and go left over center, right over center, and repeat all the way down. Once I have both of my braids, I'm going to fluff them up a little bit, as much as you'd like. Then I'll divide my extra string from my hat in 2 and use that to tie them off. Last, I will add the bonnet on top, push it down, and we have our finished Mrs. Claus gnome. I hope you have fun making your Mrs. Claus gnome for December Gnome of the Month. If you're interested, you can check out our other gnome for this month, where we make a Santa gnome. If you're interested in past Gnomes of the Month, the kits are available online and in our store, and all of the tutorials are available on our YouTube channel. Happy holidays and happy crafting!